Just bear in mind that I wrote these lyrics within the last half hour and I don't know them, so I'm going to have to read the words below. I ordinarily wouldn't do something like that. I'd learn a song, but this is for fun. Rows and rows of red and blue, the promises that never grew, and Starmer's grin, a Boris suit, all the same old truth. Orphans left in council rot, kids called racist though they're not. Council tax rise, the rents go up, councils ignore us every day. I've looked at voters from both sides now, from the fed up mums to the Brexit vow, and somehow they're just all the same. I really don't like the crooked political game. Greens want borders open wide, Advance want borders Labour leave behind, but they can't even call a friend. They've lost their voter base. Starmer! To the cameras, the polls, the empty vows, they're clowns in suits, time's ending now. Whips cracking crowds on many a stage, and the ringmaster's nearly lost his wage. I've looked at parties from both sides now, from the old guard's rot to the new one's vows, from their party donors' whips and endless games, while the uni-party fades away. Big finish. I've looked at parties from both sides now, from the old god's rot to the new one's vows, from party donors' whips and endless games. The uni-party fades. Yes, it fades. Yes, it fades away. Do like, subscribe, follow the content. It's all random. Thank you very much.